Hello and welcome to tribetopper.com.
You're watching this video on important concepts of electric current. In this video, we are going to discuss about the relation between drift velocity and current. It's an important 3-mark question where they ask you to derive a relation between drift velocity and current. Now see, when we want to find the relation, so first of all, we'll write down the expression for current. We know I is equal to Q upon T. Further, the only thing we need to do is substitute some value of Q and some value of T and you'll arrive at the relation. Now what is Q? We know that if we say let A be the area of this conductor we are talking about and L is the length of this conductor, right? So what is the volume of conductor? Therefore, volume of conductor V is equal to area into length. Now if we say N is the number of electrons per unit volume, number of electrons per unit volume, then what will be the number of electrons in the total volume? Therefore, total number of electrons in the entire volume, because N is just the number of electrons for 1 unit volume, total number of electrons in the volume V would be equal to N times A into L. And therefore, what will be the total charge traveling through the conductor? So, the total charge Q would turn out to be the total number of electrons, which is NaL, times E, the charge on 1 electron. Now, what is T? Because the electrons, they are actually drifting with a velocity Vd. Therefore, we know that drift velocity Vd would be equal to the distance traveled, that is length upon the time. Therefore, what is time T going to be? T is equal to L upon Vd. So, I'll just mark this as equation 1, this as equation 2 and this as equation 3. So, from 2 and 3, we just substitute the values of this Q as NaLe and T as L upon Vd in this equation 1. So, let's just do that. So, we'll put the value of Q as NaL times E because it's the total charge flowing, where NaL denotes the number of electrons in the entire volume into the charge on 1 electron. Upon T, we found it out to be L upon Vd. So, this L and L would cancel out and therefore, we reach the relation I is equal to NaEVd. That's the relation between drift velocity and the current. I hope you understood how to derive the relation between drift velocity and electric current.
Please follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter at tribetopper.com.